Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to change TP-Link router, SSID and Wi-Fi password. First, login router. By default, IP address 192.168.0.1. Okay. After this, now create here router login password. This password is alphanumeric and special character. Okay. Confirm password. After login router, select here, tap on basic. Now tap on wireless. Okay. Now change here SSID. After this, change also password. Okay. After that, tap on save. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.